I'm going to show you how to redeem a gift card on Binance. So first you want to open up the Binance app and click on the home button. Now in the search bar here, you want to click on it and then search for gift card. Now scroll down till you find functions, and under it gift card, click on it. Now it should open up this page here. Simply click on OK and then just press redeem to crypto, which is this button here. And here you should be able to enter your redemption code or your gift card code. So if you've copied it, you can press the paste button here to paste it automatically. Otherwise, you can type it one by one. It's 16 characters and digits and letters. And once it's typed, you want to press the redeem button. And this should basically redeem the gift card code and grant you any balance to your Binance wallet. Keep in mind that there is no spaces in the code, so you want to redeem it without any spaces. And that's pretty much it for this video. And after the redemption, you can check the balance here by going to home and then press assets, overview, and you should find all the crypto balances you're holding. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.